Hi guys! Today we're gonna do another metallic painting because I love the other one so much. The dried result is on my Instagram already from the other one. Today I'm gonna do the same thing except with the Van Dyke brown. I'm gonna use black for the contrast because I think that will be prettier, much more contrast. So we're gonna start and see what happens. Now I think I'm gonna use them both, the black and the Van Dyke brown, to see if we can get much more contrast. But I'm hoping for the rose gold with the copper and the bronze. So we're gonna blow over it and blow them out. Woo! You see what's happening? Oh my god. It's a silver also. Well, the silver has a flow-through in it, so maybe that's it. Guys, are you seeing this rose gold? I really hope you're seeing this on camera, like how I see it. It's so shiny, so pretty. So I found a new love, and it's metallic colors with white. I really am in love at this point. I think I'm gonna do this as well on a black base canvas. Let's see how that turns out, and thank you for watching. I hope you really like my paintings, and please let me know in the comments, and I hope you will subscribe and put on the bell so you will be notified whenever a new video is up. Have a great day.